Let me start by saying that I've always liked to travel. Self-drive, road travel is my thing. And I did a lot of travel on my own. And I think when you come to, organized trips like these, like what we just had over the last couple of days, you realize the difference between doing it yourself and having someone take care of you. I think from the word go, or rather before, the instructions, the clarity of what you need to carry, what you need to take, what you need to be prepared for, to the trails, to the stops, to the food, to the stay, toilets. I think exceptional stuff in the with no better words to say that than to say in the middle of nothing you guys have created a heaven, right? So it's fantastic. So hats off to Isuzu, hats off to you guys from Kaman and Ravi. But I think Kamen is the only one you can remember at the end of the trip, with all the instructions and the bulldozing that you get into, but all for our good. But so the whole play, I think, was exceptional. The trails we went to, I've done a bit of off-roading before. I love the vehicle. I love the capability it has. We've done snow drives, we've done deserts, we've done all of it. But I think the curated trails that we went through, in terms of obstacles, in terms of camaraderie of people helping each other out, people learning how to spot, for example, I think it's been exceptional all through. Campfires, stories, and yesterday, I think I shouldn't miss that. The surprise of having such a beautifully organized place, look, food, and Punjabi, so food is very, very important. But food, drink, I think it was amazing. So I'm going to keep repeating exceptional, exceptional, but there's no other word that comes to my mind. So thanks a lot, guys. I think I had a great time. Looking forward to many, many more in Isuzu. I hope this was my first one with you guys, but I hope to looking forward to many more. Thanks.
Thanks so much.